Good morning, everyone. Um, First of all, we are really glad to be part of the NDS consortium, and particularly today, really glad and excited to be presenting my organization, MapmyIndia. That's how it's popularly known as. Uh, just for those who are not aware, the name of the company is CE Infosystems Limited, and we went public about 2 years back in 2021 on the National Stock Exchange in India. So um, it's an Indian company, and I've been associated with this organization for last 18 years now. I'm the chief operating officer here, and particularly responsible for driving the automotive and mobility business. So, go to the next. Okay. It's okay. Okay, sure. All right. Thank you. Okay, sorry. So, to introduce the company, so we started in 1995, and we've been the first ones to start mapping India back in 1995 itself. Then we were the first ones to launch navigation in the Indian market, and that was back in 2007. And we started getting built into the four-wheelers and the two-wheelers, and now the commercial vehicles as well. As we speak today, we are building and updating the digital map twin uh, of for India, which means we are mapping the changes continuously. So what we call at MapmyIndia is real-time and rich maps, the RTR maps that we brought into the market about 2 years back. That's our presence. So we are headquartered in Delhi, India. We have two more offices, one in Mumbai and our R&D in Bangalore. And of course, we have expanded our presence beyond India in recent times. So we have an office in US, and we have offices in Japan and Seoul also, and looking forward to build our presence in European market as well. So like I said, the name of the company is Infosystems Limited, and we got listed in 2021. We, it's a team of about 1,000 people for last 3 years, and we have been continuously expanding in terms of our product, in terms of our revenues, and also in terms of our clients and customers. We are present today in India on more than 10 plus million vehicles. And as far as our cloud platforms go, there are daily about 100 billion plus transactions which are happening on our cloud. And we have our Mapples. So our organization, on one side, we are providing solutions to automotive companies. On the other side, to get consumers comfortable and aware about our our stack of solutions, we have our apps and we have our solutions directly for the consumers as well. So it's a 27 plus year old organization. Uh, so from a map standpoint, while we have been building and maintaining standard definition maps for many, many years, now we have gotten into the space of building high definition maps as well. And as we speak, it's quite productized, and we cover all the expressways and national highways with our with our high definition maps. In addition to that, we have our platforms for cloud map. We have our platforms for navigation, and also to do a lot of analytics on our base products. We also have been building connected vehicle platforms and that has been helping organization to also improve upon our live traffic capabilities from time to time. So you see another term here, Mapples. So 2 years back, we launched this brand Mapples, and that's as part of our expansion to global markets. So MapmyIndia, having India as the name within the brand itself, that was kind of limiting us to the Indian market. So we have grown beyond that, and now it's Mappers is what you'll be hearing more instead of MapmyIndia from us. So that's the app that a lot of consumers in India use for day-to-day navigation. It supports location search, navigation, ADAS functionalities, and also live traffic and live safety events. Um, and the same app is also available and compatible with CarPlay and Android Auto solutions. So like I said, back in 2017, we started our HD mapping program. And from day one, we were quite clear that our high definition maps that we'll be building, they have to be seamless and they have to be able to talk to our standard definition maps. So there are linkages that we have been developing between the standard definition and high definition maps from the beginning. And um, I'm hoping that this is what gets supported by NDS as well. And now that from an R&D point of view, we have been able to set up processes for capturing data, for processing data for high definition maps. Now we are moving on to self-healing maps. We've been able to establish MMI telemetry based data ingestion for the self-healing processes, and now moving to use the other data sets like picture sequences, many other features, and the sensor data to build these high definition maps. Idea is to move from the human consumption to the machine consumption for Indian market as well, like you guys are doing for other markets. And e-mobility is one of the important areas from Indian market standpoint, and this government is really pushing a lot or encouraging the industry to get into the electric vehicle space a lot. And we've been building our models for the accurate range calculation in the vehicles and working with automotive companies for the same. So that's broadly it is. And we are really working towards making our maps available on both NDS Classic and NDS Live platforms. And we look forward to interacting with all of you more and more. I think that's it about MapmyIndia, and I'm available throughout the day for any questions, any more clarifications that are required. Thank you very much.